Hi guys, this is Sunny here from the Master Trader, and today I'm going to show you something new and something different. Okay, I'm going to show you the magic of levels and trend lines. Okay, you will see how these work with so much perfection. Okay, and this is not some magic, right, guys? This is it's pure technicals. Okay, and these things work. These things work with time, and you'll notice the same patterns occurring again and again. Okay, so let's begin. So guys, today I'm starting off with the 1 hour chart. Okay, and as you can see here, we have the past few days data. Okay, maybe 1-2 weeks, in fact a month's data, right? So I've just zoomed out a bit, okay, just to get an overall picture of the overall trend. So let's begin, right? So I'm on the hourly time frame. Okay, and if you can see here, this was the lowest low in this entire trend, right? So I'm going to mark this as my swing low, and I'm going to start my trend line from there. Okay, and I'm going to go up, go up, go up, and connect this. So you can see that this level is almost falling on this trend line. This level is falling on the trend line, this level is falling on the trend line, and this level, right? So we have a couple of levels falling on this trend line, which means this trend line holds some strength, right? There's some substance to it. Okay, so we have this one going on. Okay, now if you see here, right, you can see this swing high here, you can see this swing high here, right? So I'm going to connect both of these points as well. Okay, and draw our trend line. I hope today you guys can notice the audio difference, right? Because today I'm recording on my laptop and not the PC. So you can see that it makes a big difference. Okay, so now I have drawn this horizontal trend line as well. Okay, since the past few days I've been informing in my group that this 10,780 level, okay, was a strong resistance which eventually got broken, right? And then it held as support. Okay, so we could have gotten fantastic trades just based on this one level, right? And you can see that we also got a nice ascending triangle breakout, right? Now you guys may think that this is it, right? But there's one more, guys. Okay, there's one more. So till yesterday, this was the picture we had going. Okay, till yesterday, right? And so again this morning I informed, right? I sent a chart out that if this 10,780 is broken, right, Nifty will head towards 10,710 and 10,640 levels. Okay, so today it touched 10,700 and bounced from there. Okay, now why did I keep 10,710 as my support level? How did I know in advance that it may bounce from there, right? Like I said, guys, this is not magic. Okay, it's pure knowledge, it's pure understanding of charts. Okay, so what I'm gonna do now is I'm going to connect this swing low, okay, to this one, right? And I will project it forward. Then I'm going to connect it to this swing low, right? This is a major swing low. So when I have 2-3 points, guys, on a trend line, okay, I can project it for a good period of time, okay, into the future, which will help me give me my support or resistance levels. Okay, so now I have this picture going on. Okay, this might confuse few of you, but this is to simplify things, right, guys? This is to further simplify things so that we know in advance where the price may take support or resistance. Okay, so now if I zoom in, right, or in fact, okay, let's go to the intraday charts now, right? Since we're analyzing purely on an intraday basis, let's go to the intraday charts. Now these lines, these trend lines have not come out so clear. Okay, but technically this should be a bit lower here. Okay, that's because we were drawing it on the hourly time frame. Fine. So now we have these trend lines, guys. Okay, now if you see here, right, market opens here and market gaps down. So clearly it was a sell below 10,780, right? But since market gap down, many people would fear to enter the markets, right? Now, since I'm a bit experienced, I would love to enter here, okay, because it was breaking this good support level, right? Anyways, so let's say we missed this trade. Fine. Now, what to do? Okay, we need to look for other good trading setups, right? Now you can see market come down, come down, come down, come down. It comes down right to this trend line, right? And this was one of the trend lines marked on the hourly time frame. Okay, meaning that if price came to this level, it would find support, right? It would act as support. Now, would it guaranteed find support there? Not necessarily. Okay, not necessarily. We would probably have to wait for some price action confirmation, and then we can take an entry. Okay, so you can see how nicely price took support here, right? Multiple candles were bouncing off here along with this hammer. Okay, so these are very good indications that price is taking support here. If at all, you can enter a small quantity here, right? Either in options or in futures, as you like. And guys, your risk is very small, right? Your risk would be just below this candle low here. Okay, and in this case, your rewards, if you keep trailing, your rewards can be huge, right? Your first target can be your day high, okay, which is right here. This could have been your first target or even your final target, right? See, from 710 it goes to almost 760. That's a good 50 points, guys. Like I said, in intraday, 20-30 points we should be more than happy with. Okay, so this would be our first trade for the day, right? Our first good trade setup. Okay, now let's see if we could have gotten another good trade setup, right? So now price is going up. It took support exactly there, right? Beautifully how this worked. Okay, now price is going up. It's going up, and it stops right here. Now, what is this level? 10,780. Remember, I mentioned even earlier that this was a strong resistance before, then it turned into a strong support, and now again it's acting as a strong resistance, right? And this is being confirmed by two trend lines. Okay, one which is that horizontal trend line, right, which we drew connecting these points here, right, this swing high here, and the one which is coming from the bottom. Okay, so this is a confluence of trend lines, guys, and when that happens, what that tends to mean is that's a very crucial area, right? So either it will be, in this case, a very strong resistance level, and you can see how well it's respected it. Okay, it took resistance here and price again came down. So this area would have been our second good trade setup for the day. Now, one way to confirm, okay, if you don't know where you should short there or where you should sell there, what you can simply do is draw this intraday trend line, okay, which is basically connecting these points, and you can see how smoothly this forms, right? And you can sell right on the break of this trend line. Okay, your stop loss or your risk would be right above this level. Okay, and your target can either be this trend line, which is acting as support on the bottom, or you can book as per your comfort, guys. 20-30 points intraday is more than enough, right? So today we got two amazing trades, okay, which really worked well. They really followed the technical levels. Okay, so guys, this is a clear proof that technicals do work. Okay, many people, they try to work around technicals, but they get so confused. They don't know where to start or where to analyze, how to analyze, you know. But if you keep things simple and you wait for the right setups, then you can get such good trades, right? Like I said, this is, you know, people consider this to be magic, right? But this is not magic, guys. It's just technicals. It's knowing the proper levels, okay, how to draw trend lines. So everything is shown here, okay. So I hope this video has helped you, right? If you like the video, please click on the like button. You can subscribe to my channel, and if you want to join my Telegram or WhatsApp group, the link is below in the description. So that's it, guys. I hope these videos are helping you, and I'll keep trying to post them, you know, as frequently as possible. So that's it, guys. Thanks for watching. Bye.